Whenever we come up with a recipe that's off the charts good, really easy, and budget friendly, we tend to move it to the top of our must-share recipe list. And that's certainly the case with the recipe that we're whipping up today. It's a lighthearted tribute to country cooking that's perfect for this time of year. We start by searing about 4 pounds of what are known as country-style pork ribs in a bit of vegetable oil. Actually, even though they're called ribs, they're really not. Country-style ribs are more like pork chops since they're meatier and are less fatty than real ribs. While those finish up, we mix together a bottle of chili sauce, some water, a bit of Worcestershire sauce, a tad of mustard, and some brown sugar. This gets poured over the ribs. We loosely cover them and we let them simmer until they're fork tender. See, I told you it was easy. Now, they may not be officially ribs, but in my book, I like them better. And after they slow cook in the homemade sweet and tangy barbecue sauce, the meat sort of melts in your mouth. You could even finish these off on the grill if you want. To get the recipe for what we call Hillbilly ribs, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a meaty and saucy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.